As morning breaks in the Mangamuka Gorge, crews come together for the week's safety briefing.
Thank you, team. Be safe out there.
It sets the wider team up for an efficient and safe start to the day before splitting into their separate work sites.
Every slip has crews that are working on certain aspects of each task, but when we're able to come together and celebrate and have conversations, that's super important to me.
Most of the people here are from the area, locals working on a road and mountain that's important to them.
The privilege of working on my maunga, not just my, but our whānau's maunga. Everything is much appreciated from us being the people of this land and just the wider community as well.
It means a lot more jobs in the region. More than 100 people work on the site daily.
It's been awesome. I've definitely made the most of it. Never have this opportunity ever. A lot more skills to put in our kete to help us towards future employment.
Started my own company and they asked me to come back on as a subcontractor. Pretty excited about that, to teach my boys this sort of stuff too.
Many up here have whānau on the job too, spanning multiple generations.
We've actually got a father who's now got his son working, but I remember his father when he was a young one. So now when the young ones get in trouble, I'll be like, your dad used to do that.
Everyone here learning skills they can take with them into the future.
We've raised everyone up to the standard that we expect and we've kept them there. For us, that's really cool, the way we've managed to help a lot of the local companies if they want to get future work.
It's teaching them how to do things, the next job after that job.
Work that's serving the people of Northland from construction through to delivery.
It's like our backyard, so nothing better than seeing something you know so well will get fixed right in front of you. It'll be awesome once it's open.